Hey guys, this is Chadley Do Right. Alright, this is the garage doors that I plan on installing. I don't know if you can see it, one of them's just a little bit shade different, so chances are I'm going to be painting them. But I wanted to show you guys from the inside out. I hammered some of these nails out that I could get to. Some of them I couldn't get to. I'm going to carefully pry them out. I'm not quite sure the best way to go about these kinds here. I think I'm going to try to lay a board across and try that out and see how that works. But I'm trying to think. Right here. Yeah, this is there's a ridge here, you can't hardly see it, but this whole panel is going to have to come out for starters. And it goes to well, shoot, I got a light to deal with too. I'm going to deal with that light. It looks like the gutter is going to have to come off also. So the first thing I'm doing is pulling this gutter down. It's supposed to be like a leaf guard kind, but it's supposed to keep the leaves and stuff out from that tree right there. It's not in such hot shape because it's a turns out that's a turns out it's an emerald ash. Sorry, it's an ash tree but it's got those emerald ash borers in it. So I'm going to take them glasses out out of those floodlights so I don't shatter them. And that step 2 is going to be removing that gutter. Yeah, there's my collar. Now the collar needs to be pulled down so that seals better, but that's the least of my worries right now. So shall they do right out? I'll get back whenever I get this thing apart.